Good morning all watchers and good morning to everyone. Welcome to all into RK's Campus News Reporting Channel by the Saraswati Patel, a reporter of the RK's Campus Academy. So today I have carried wonderful news, and that news is coming from the India. So one nation and one election bill has been passed in the people of the house by the Central Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal. So let me explain you the meaning of the one nation one election. So let me explain you that is there should be only one election. There should be only one election for a one country, because we are not living 28 states. Only we are living in the India. We are not living 28 countries. That's why there should be only one election for the one country. So friends, we all know that, we all are aware that there are three time election happen in India. First election hold for the state central government, and having engaged this thing, we can be able to choose the prime minister. And second election for the state government, and having engaged the election, we can be able to choose the chief minister. And both elections are conducted by the election commission, which was established in the 25 January 1950. And the third election, which is we are very near of that election, means the local election was conducted by the state election commission. So let me tell you that if we will hold the election separate, so on that time election commission have to face so many difficulties, just like the election commission can have to spend a lot of the money as well as the resources and as well as the time also. And the election impact on the work of the government workers like the teachers and the police, because during the election they get the job and they for handling the everything. So this thing is very bad for the India, because we are wasting our time for holding again and again the election. So we must take the decision for stopping this thing. That's why this thing came in the mind of the government. That's why they passed the one nation one election bill in the people of the Lok Sabha, and it is the 129 constitutional amendment. And do you know that what is the major things in this thing? And we all are aware that for making the government there should be 272 voters for being the government. And we all are aware that is the for implementing the constitutional amendment, there should be, if there are 543 voters in the peoples of the assembly, so on that time there should be the 200 voters out of the 400. Or if there are the 400 voters present in the people of the house, so on that time who is passing that bill constitutional amendment, they must get the 200 votes for implementing the constitutional amendment. So let me tell you that why we need have bring this constitutional amendment. So let me tell you the major things. That is the for stopping this thing, we have brought this thing. And do you know that we have brought this thing for stopping this thing, and we have means the current judge has made a one nation one election committees for stopping this thing. And there were the 8 members, and there were the 3 officers, and there were the 3 leaders, and there was the one minister, and who was the prime minister previous time. So on that time they made the one report, and having made this report, they sent the report to president of the Draupadi Murmu. And two things were mentioned by this report. First is if we want to hold the election together, so on that time we will have to change the two article. First is the article 83, and second is the article 172 article. Because if I will tell you the duration of the people of the house, and duration of the legislative assembly, so on that time duration of the both duration of the legislative assembly are bound to fixed for the 5 years in the article 83 and article 172. That's why they brought this constitutional amendment, and they gave the advice that if we want to implement the constitutional amendment, so they must achieve the more votes for implementing the constitutional amendments. So if you are agree on my thoughts, so please give the vote that there should be one nation, or there should be one nation, or election should be there in India or not. So please give your vote by this voting machine. Thank you. Have a nice day.